Good morning, all of you. So we'll continue with the problems related to the friction on horizontal surface on inclined plane. And again, today I'm going to introduce the friction on vertical wall and block upon a block concept. One basic idea of the mu s and mu k. So if you look at the mu s, no, this mu s is what? Quotient of static friction, that one. So when there is no relative motion between the surfaces, then the interaction of molecules will be more. The mu s will be definitely more. When there's a relative motion between the surface, the interaction between molecules will be less. So therefore the mu k will be less. And both are independent of area of contact. And for some substance, mu s and mu k are equal. That's what you've seen. Like in here, I just mentioned mu1 and mu2. So is it mu s or mu k? So you can just take it to be both. It's not a rule that mu s must be greater than mu k. It can be equal to also for some pair of substance. Okay, now the question: two blocks are two blocks are kept on inclined plane in contact with each other. The masses of blocks m1 and m2 and coefficient of friction are mu1 and mu2 respectively. Find acceleration of blocks and normal contact force acting between them. So what we discussed here, it was the one thing. So here shall we put a condition tan theta greater than mu1 mu2? Then only they can slide. No, we can talk about the acceleration. So let me write a basic condition: tan theta Okay, now what are the forces that will be acting on individual block will, or I'll show it on individual block. This is M1. Here, M1G sine theta. The first block, second block will push on it, no? So let me show that. The reaction, let me call R. And the friction here, that will be F1. The normal contact, this is N1, and this is M1G cos theta. Similarly, on the other block, M2G sine theta. Now, what about the normal reaction between the blocks? The R should act in this direction. The friction on that, F2 you call it. Then this is N2. This is M2G cos theta. So let both as normal reaction as both are in contact. Let me write expression for acceleration. So what are the equations of motion will be? Looking at the first block, the equations of motion will be mg sine theta plus r minus f1 equal to m1a. Further, what is m1? What is f1? Mu n1. F1 is how much? Mu1 n1. And this is equal to m1g cos theta. Substituting this, m1g sine theta plus r minus mu1 m1g cos theta equal to m1a. Keep this equation 1. Similarly, m2g sine theta minus r minus f2 equal to m2a. F2 is separately, let me write. So F2 is equal to mu N2. What is N2? N2 should be equal to M2G cos theta. Mu M2G cos theta. Substituting this, M2G sine theta minus R Adding up these two, we'll get expression for acceleration because r will get cancelled out. Adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. No, adding 1 and 2. This will be m1g. Directly, let me write here m1 plus m2 g sine theta minus of mu2 mu1 m1 plus mu2 m2 g cos theta equal to m1 plus m2 into e. So what is acceleration? This should be equal to g sine theta minus mu1 m1 plus mu2 m2 by m1 plus m2 g cos theta. If you want, you can take g also outside. So we'll end up this basic equation, the expression for acceleration. Okay, now what about the reaction? Substitute this value of A in any one equation, you'll get the expression for the reaction. I'll directly write it. The reaction will be, so reaction means the normal contact between them. Mu2, mu1. Substituting this equation 3 in 1. So from what I do next is put 3 in 1. Then solving for R is equal to mu2 minus mu1 m1 m2g cos theta by m1 plus m2. Now look at this, the expression for reaction. When they'll be in contact, any condition, can you write it for them to be in contact? Definitely mu2 should be greater than mu1. No, see, for the blocks to be in contact, what is the required necessity condition? R should be greater than 0. For R to be greater than 0, mu2 should be greater than mu1. If mu2 less than mu1, R will be negative. Negative means they lose contact here. Getting the idea? So this equation is very important for you. Whenever 2-3 blocks come in contact, they're placed on rough inclined plane. Whether they'll be in contact during motion or not will determine the value of mu2, mu1. So like the condition if tan theta less than mu2 and tan theta greater than mu1, definitely what happens, the block m1 will slide, block m2 will not slide, will be there only. So no question of this R. The moment you release, they lose contact. Try to analyze this. If tan theta greater than mu1, greater than mu2, so both will slide. Now, so will they be in contact or not? When both are sliding, will they be in contact or not? Will determine, again, mu2 should be greater than mu1. Getting this? I am trying to stress some idea here. This equation we have to interpret properly here. If mu2 equal to mu1, then R will be 0. R will be 0, that one. If mu2 less than mu1, they will lose contact. Both will slide but lose contact. If tan theta less than mu2, block m2 will not slide, will be there only the block m1 will slide down. Okay, this, so some good problems are there related to this what I discussed, so just analyze them. There's one basic method. Okay, any doubt? You can clarify. So solving this one, this equation 3, I'll put in either 1 or 2, you'll get the same thing. Okay, I'll go for the next condition. Any doubt you ask it. I'm not threatening you, but don't add chorus to the teachers voice. That's what in the group I put message, that one. Any doubt you are free to ask, but don't add coders to the teacher. Almost yesterday I got past 1 week, no, 10 days, the parents are sending message to me like, sir, like see that some students unnecessary talking along with you. So my kid is not come to listen for some others teaching for your teaching. So for me, no alternative, Past 2-3 months I was requesting, nobody was able to understand. So they told like, sir, why don't you remove them from the, block them from the class, they suggested. Is there any doubt?
Sir? Sir?
Yeah, yes, ma. Yeah.
Sir, won't there be friction between those two blocks, sir?
How come friction? There is no lateral motion perpendicular to incline. Why friction between the blocks will come?
Okay, sir.
If tan theta less than mu1, tan theta, if tan theta less than mu1, tan theta less than mu2, both the blocks what happen will be at rest. Will not